Hi everyone, and welcome to this quilling Christmas snowflakes tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these delicate and festive snowflakes using simple quilling techniques. They make perfect decorations for your tree, gift tags, or even as handmade gifts for loved ones. So grab your quilling supplies, and let's get started bringing a touch of Christmas magic to your holiday crafts. Take a quilling strip and use your quilling tool to roll it into a tight coil. Once rolled, remove the coil from the tool and let it loosen slightly to your desired size. Add a small dab of glue to secure the end of the strip. Using your fingers or tweezers, pinch opposite sides of the coil to create the eye shape, also called a marquise. Adjust the pinched ends to make the shape symmetrical and refine the curves as needed. Repeat this step and create a total of 6 pieces. Take a quilling strip and use your quilling tool to roll it into a tight coil. Using your fingers or tweezers, pinch one side of the coil to create the point of the teardrop shape. Leave the other side rounded to complete the look. Create a total of 12 pieces. Repeat the teardrop shape, but with different color, and create a total of 6 pieces. Apply a small amount of glue to the edges of the eye shapes where they will connect. Press the shapes together gently and hold for a few seconds until the glue sets. Add a small dab of glue to the pointed tip of the eye shape where you want to attach the teardrop. Avoid using too much glue to prevent smudging or uneven drying. Allow the glue pieces to dry fully before moving your quilling snowflakes.
Start by rolling a strip of paper into a tight coil using your quilling tool. Release the coil slightly to form a loose circle, then secure the end with glue. Hold the circle between your fingers and pinch opposite sides to create the pointed ends of the eye shape. Repeat this step and create a total of 8 pieces. Insert one end of the strip into your quilling tool and roll it tightly into a compact coil. Once rolled, secure the loose end of the strip with a small dab of glue. Create a total of 3 pieces. Apply a small amount of glue to the tips of each shapes where they meet the center. Gently press them into place. Apply a small amount of glue to the edges of each tight coil where they will connect. Take a long strip of quilling paper and apply a small dab of glue at one end to secure it to the base of the comb, the first prong. Wrap the strip around the next prong of the comb and bring it back to the starting point. Secure the loop with glue at the base, the center of the comb. Move to the next prong of the comb, creating a slightly larger loop. Each time, bring the strip back to the base, securing with glue. Repeat this process, wrapping around sequential prongs to form evenly spaced loops radiating outward. Once you've reached your desired number of loops, carefully slide the fan off the comb. Create a total of 8 pieces. Create a quilling eye shaped and wrap a different color of paper strip around it. Create a total of 8 pieces. Ensure the central part of the snowflake is fully assembled. Arrange the looped fan near the edge of the central part. Apply a small amount of glue to the base of the looped fan. Repeat the process to attach them evenly around the center for balance. Ensure consistent spacing to maintain symmetry. You can also use pins to hold the looped fans until the glue sets. Let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Attach the lined eye shape to the middle of the looped fans. Thank you for joining me in this quilling Christmas snowflake tutorial. I hope you enjoyed creating this beautiful and festive design. Don't forget to experiment with different colors and patterns to make your snowflakes unique. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. God bless you, and see you next time.